Hi everyone, Krista Mashore here with Questions with Krista. These are real life questions from real life people just like you. This one is from Sarah, and she says, with everything going on, I've lost my way with my daily routine. How have you kept your focus and your energy during these crazy times? Okay, Sarah, that is a great question, and we get it from a lot of people. Let me start by saying this. The more that you can keep your routine, the more normal you're going to feel. So many people right now are sleeping in, they're not getting ready, they're not doing their hair. So what I've tried to do is just pretend like business as usual. I still set my alarm for 5 o'clock, I get up, I go to the gym, which is my garage, or to the park, and I go running, and then I come home and I shower and I get ready. I don't give myself any excuses as far as not to get ready and not to go to work, because I know that the more I get out of my routine, the more time I'm losing to succeed, especially if you are in real estate. What do they say? When you take a week off, it's like taking a month off. Well, I believe that. So what you want to try to do is set your alarm the time you normally used to, right? Go get up and go to the gym, drink your coffee, do your daily affirmations, your daily routine, show your gratitude, and then take a shower, get dressed. Even if it's just from here up, get dressed. Why? Because that's going to make sure that you don't stop doing the things that you need to do to propel your business forward. Now listen, I know that it's not easy. I totally get it. But I also understand that you have to make a choice, and it's your choice to decide what it is that you want to do. We have to choose, right? Because our actions, what we do right now, what we think about, becomes what we do becomes our life. So if we start thinking about, hey, I want to make sure I've got a great routine so my business doesn't fail, then your actions are going to show that, right? You're going to get up, you're going to get dressed, you're going to get ready, you're going to start doing anything you need to do to propel, and then your life, the output of that is going to be much more positive than if you don't. So start telling yourself that I got to do it. I got to treat it like a normal day, because in my personal feeling, this is going to be like this for a long time. We've got to adjust and adapt, right? We don't want to be reactive. We need to be adaptive, so that way we're around, so that we're not just surviving, but we're actually thriving when this whole thing is over. So hope this helps you, Sarah. You're not alone. There's so many people that feel the exact same way that you do. So if we can support each other and help encourage each other, it's going to go a long way. Hey there, I have a brand new podcast called Fired Up with Krista Mashore, where I bring my high energy right to your ears. This podcast is available on all your favorite podcast platforms. So do me a favor, go subscribe and leave a review. All this information is free, and I cannot wait to teach you everything I know. Thanks so much for watching my video. You can learn more about how to be a successful real estate professional by watching other videos that I have. And be sure to subscribe to my channel. And as always, make it a great home selling and buying day.